They want us to believe that we are sick, so that they will freely deny us opportunities to contribute to the growth of our own country. Our human rights are not considered at all. We are abused by our own societies. Even our own parents want us to stay indoors the whole time. Well, I guess we are families disgracing. Is this some kind of a punishment? But where does it come from? Is it from God or ancestors?
Barimbag Merondat Nalo Nagets at THABELO. Oh, home we know happy.
Modimo matla ohle ngwana enwa wa bona o tsamaile dibaka tse ngata a batla mosebetsi ka baka lena re bisa ona matla a ha wa hore ka jeno a lokolohe tsohle di mo tsamaele hantle tsena re dikopa le ditso la hao modimo ntate modimo mora modimo moya o halalelang amen.
Mr. THABELO, we're going to give you your results.
Of course, you are a good lawyer that works very hard. But because of your situation, we don't want to discriminate you, but we really don't think you will be able to carry out cases, researches effectively because you cannot walk. We are very sorry.
If all people were like her, the world would be a better place for us.
No.
She really understands that I'm not sick. I'm born like this. I don't know any other kind of life apart from this one. And yes, she understands that people are not disabled. They're just differently abled.